Binance just made an unexpected announcement. The most active cryptocurrency exchange is undergoing temporary system maintenance, which normally doesn't bode well for crypto prices. Binance maintenance coincides with 60M minted dust. Binance caught traders unaware once again today when all of a sudden it went down for temporary system maintenance. According to the Binance blog, Binance has suspended deposits, withdrawals, spot trading, margin trading, PP trading, lending, redemption, as well as asset transfers from sub-accounts, margin accounts, futures accounts, and fiat wallets. Please note that trading on Binance futures will continue unaffected during the maintenance period. Then, of course, Binance apologized for any inconvenience, something the exchange is getting very good at lately. Cheese immediately took to Twitter to provide more information and calm the rising FUD. He said that the maintenance was unscheduled but the team was working on it. He also reassured users for the third time this week that all funds are sharp SAFU. Funds are sharp SAFU, no need to panic. Cheese Binance. At cheese_Binance, February 19, 2020. In fact, this time around, it is the spot exchange that is affected by the issue. Futures traders who were caught in positions and wrecked over the weekend due to performance issues were luckily unscathed. The reason for this, Cheese clarified, is that Binance Futures has a separate matching engine. However calm traders are meant to be, Binance maintenance will likely affect crypto prices. The question is how exactly? The sudden pause on trading on Binance happened to coincide with a fresh minting of 60M Tether. Perfect timing or an uncanny coincidence? Did Binance run out of Tether? Are crypto prices about to pump? Are we in for a temporary crypto crash? To perfect timing with Binance maintains. CryptoGuru at CryptoGuru, February 19, 2020. The slew of comments below the whale alert tweet seems to suggest that many people believe a huge pump is. You can read full post on CryptoFans News, link available in text below.